Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Ross, the tie-dyed traveling guy, coming to you from the Madison Concourse Hotel and Governor's Club in Madison, Wisconsin, on Dayton Street, right around the corner from State Street. As we head into the lobby here, we're going to give you a little bit of tour of the lobby area. Front desk just to the left there with a small little convenience store over there. Tables will take you up to where you want to go over here. And there is a Starbucks just off the lobby area here, as well as the restaurant here, which is an extra fee, not included. Starbucks, you can see, is right at the end of the hallway there. And as we take you around here, you see the elevators. We'll take you up to the second floor, where you will see ballrooms and different things. Here we are, right here by the Capitol. So let's take you right around this way by the elevators. We're going to take a quick peek around the corner here. A couple bathrooms right here. The bar is right there. It is open. Later on in the day, we have some more convention rooms down that way, but let's head up to the elevators, see what we can see on the second floor. Stay tuned. As we come out of the elevator here on the second floor, let's walk down here real quick and keep our voice down here, not to disturb. This is just Wisconsin ballroom, among other things, for different events in the Madison area. Alright, so as we get off the elevator on floor 3, fitness center, pool, whirlpool, sauna, down here to the right. So let's go check this out, see what we can see, give you a little bit of a tour. Alright, get our key here. See if that wants to open for us. Alright. So as we walk in, we have some dumbbells off here to the left. Kettlebells. Looks like we do have some adjustable bars there. Curl bar with some weights. Ellipticals. Treadmills. Stability balls. Medicine balls. And a little cable machine. Definitely more than enough to get yourself a workout. Alright, so let's go in here. Check out the pool, 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. Alright. Check this out. Nice little pool area here. Little hot tub, kind of separate. There are the rules. Over here, we got the sauna. Take a peek in there real quick. Warm and toasty. Alright. Check this out. There we go. Some ping pong table tennis. We got some foosball. Check out that guy. What's up? Looks like they do have towels here. So we'll loop around here, see what there is for a view out of the pool area here. Not too much. Maybe Wisconsin Avenue, perhaps. Oh, that would be cool to have. A pool side room. Alright. Emergency phone. There's the pool room. Alright, y'all. Water vending machines out here. And ice. Alright, y'all. Let's go check out that room tour. Alright, y'all. We made it to our room 532. Alright, as you walk in here, we have the bathroom right off to the left. And shower as well with a bathtub. And you do get some body wash, shampoo, conditioner, and some body lotion. So right here to the left, we have a pretty deep closet here. Maybe have your children sleep in there. Just kidding. Don't put your children in the closet. Alright, walking in here. We got a 2-queen room because we weren't sure if we were going to have some friends join us or not. Right off to the right side here is the microwave. Not the microwave, sorry. It is a refrigerator. There is a microwave down by the pool area, though. You do have a coffee maker, and they do provide you with some coffee here. What do we have? Seattle's Best Port Side Blend, and a decaf in there as well. There's your coffee machine and ice bucket right there. TV never even got turned on. Alright, nice little area over here. Chairs, not very comfortable. They're a little firm. Alright, looping around there is the room. And as we loop back around to see what we have for a view, check this out. Ooh, it's awfully sunny this morning. But we have a Capitol view. Very nice, lit up at nighttime. So yeah, Madison Concourse Hotel. Very close into everything in the downtown area. Within walking distance of the Sylvee, which we went to a concert there last night, which was Sunday, August 11th. So this is definitely a good hotel. Check it out. You can get the Governor's Club. That is an upgrade. Includes some food, some drinks. But like I said, it does cost a little bit more. We were only here literally less than 24 hours. I think we got here about 2 o'clock, and right now it's about almost 10 o'clock in the morning. So we drove down here for a concert. We stayed one night. Now we're going home. So check out the Madison Concourse Hotel in Madison, Wisconsin. Deuces.